this is our first stop in Victoria. So it's a place called Fort O'Hare in Dartmoor.
Not far over the border.
No. It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
There's a koala up in the tree over here. We just heard him. He's probably been there all day. We just didn't see him. You can't really see though because that other branch is in the way, but there is one there. God, he's so noisy.
Yeah, I knew it. That's what I said to you, they'd be noisy.
Be able to hear them before you see them. Good spotting, Ryan. I think that's 3-1 now.
Yeah.
The Koala King.
The king.
You have to say that again.
I am the Koala King. That's 4-1 now.
Another one up there.
So that one's maybe like 30 metres in a straight line to the other one, and the other one's probably 20. So in like 60 metres there's 3.
Are koalas territorial?
I think that's why they make the noise.
Oh, trying to scare each other
I
away.
was just about to Google it and then heard
Maybe
the noise
do that,
again.
then you can let the people
There's
know.
definitely one up there in that fork.
Hmm.
Yeah, hopefully they don't come down and start brawling in the middle of the night.
You're like the Australian native wildlife king. Spotting the kookaburras, the koalas. So good. I'm actually surprised kangaroos haven't come down here tonight.
Oh, probably a bit early. They'll come out. That's your hangover, little friend.
Whitefly. Alright, so just a quick recap video. We crossed over into the Victorian border and our first stop was a campsite called Fort O'Hare in Dartmoor. Donation camp.
Beautiful spot.
Amazing, so nice. They've got these beautiful fire pits there and cooking and like cooking plates. Is that what you call
Yeah,
it?
hot plates. Yeah, proper fire pits with swing out. All the cooking gear you need. Big area around the outside, all blue metal. So
Yeah.
really, really neat.
Yeah, really lovely. There's this beautiful little swimming hole on the river as well, which I frequented.
Yeah, I went to the edge of.
And koalas. Just
Heaps
everywhere.
of koalas.
Everywhere. What's the tally? Mine's 2.
7 or 8 I think I was up to. So,
Yeah, he's pretty good at finding them. I'm
and
a
they
bit
were
blind,
all around
so.
like literally 20 metres from the van.
Yeah, they were very noisy and loud.
They were. And possums.
Oh yeah.
Quite a few possums.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, and a kangaroo that was coming up.
I think it might have been a wallaby.
Oh, wallaby. It was loud anyway.
Yeah.
Thump thump.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we spent a couple of days there and then we moved on to Portland and we just stayed there for a night in the free RV camp. Didn't really do much, did we?
No, it was neat and tidy. Went for a look in town.
Yeah, there was a cruise ship in, so they had markets. And then this morning's our 13th wedding anniversary. So we treated ourselves and went out for breakfast on the foreshore.
It's nice.
Yeah, and now we have just drove, it was a really long journey today,
20 kilometres.
to Cape
Bridgewater.
I was going to say Breakwater then.
Yeah.
Cape Bridgewater, and we're at it's called Swell Holiday Park. And we'll show you around here because it's a very new holiday park. And
It's only about 7 or 8 caravan park sites, and then there's a heap of tiny homes.
yeah,
Beautiful views up on top of the hill. It's done really well priced, to be honest.
yeah. So we'll show you around there a little bit later. So this is our site for tonight, parked next to an old church.
These units are all tiny homes. They're all running their own full solar systems with batteries, so they're all fully reliant. They run bore water as well, which is filtered. Pretty cool. Don't see that very often.
Nice big camp kitchen. Camp kitchen with a view.
Yeah. And the idea is that everyone parks down the front, so you walk to all your rooms, so there's no car noise. Very quiet.
I like that. Just had a panic. We thought we didn't have a corkscrew.
Would have been really awkward.
Would have been knocking on the neighbours. Excuse me.
I'm pretty sure. What do you put it on like? No.
Operator error.
Oh, I might be red drinker. Probably better if you weren't filming me, don't. Oh, no.
What have we got for dinner tonight, guys?
A bit of reverse seared steak. Come on.
Think it'll do?
It's alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. A lovely night at Bridgewater, Cape Bridgewater. Oh, sorry, I'll wait till we turn. Didn't realise we were going to turn.
Big on listening sometimes.
Sorry?
You're not big on listening sometimes.
Nah. So we just spent a lovely night at Cape Bridgewater. The new caravan park there called Swell at Cape Bridgewater. They only opened on Boxing Day, but it's really nice.
Yeah, good spot. Friendly locals.
Yeah, really friendly. Ryan got the drone up last night and took some shots of the park for them, and then he went across over to the ocean and saw these seals having a ball with a bait ball. So got some pretty cool footage there, but yeah, highly recommend the new place. If you want to stay somewhere, it's really close to Portland, highly recommend. So we are now driving
towards Waterman.
Yeah, getting ready for the classic. It's nearly time. So yeah, back onto the lovely, nice rough road. Exciting. What's that, sorry?
Well, I can bring shoes.
Why is that?
Snakes.
4 years was the only lava flow that occurred at Tower Hill. Did you see one?
9.
Oh, yeah. Good job. Okay, the current koala tally. 5.
10.
I'm catching up. Ryan's looking like in the trees far away, and we're walking down this track and I'm like, there's one right there. There's one right there.
Yeah, I'm looking too far, too hard.
Ryan looks for them and I wait for them to come to me.
They'll literally fall on your head.
Well, that was a nice little stop at Tower Hill Wildlife Reserve.